comment. So we are here to talk about it. In that live broadcast, River Goddess said something about Biafra Unite. Speaking of his identity, his picture, Okuna Blabla, she made a comment that we are not, that's what she said. The video is there though, but some of you misunderstand or misunderstood her. Whatever you may, the way you want to put it, no problem. But I've seen that some people have copied that video. They copied the part because I shared that part separately on a second platform. They downloaded it, and people who kept Biafra Unite picture, I don't know if that is his original picture though. They decided to attach a picture, whom I don't know if that picture belongs to Biafra Unite or not. They attached that picture to that message that you shared, to that audio that she said that some people, some group of people, some Biafrans get hold on his picture some time ago. That PM warned them not to release it. They should not bring it on social media. And because of that nobody is going to release it. That people still keep that picture, waiting until PM comes out. That he is the one to go ahead of that. She said that. She did not say that she had the picture with her. Now, some people who may have access to Biafra Unite picture, what did they do? They went on to attach the picture. Okay? Like I said, I don't know the owner of the picture. I don't know who is the picture. So it may be his picture, it may not be his picture. So I'm not here to validate that the picture is belong to Biafra Unite. Now, if you check that audio, I'm not going to share it here. If you check that audio, there's a picture they have attached on it. It's not on my channel, and the way you are seeing the picture is the way I'm seeing it. But the part that hurt me so much, I felt so bad, is that somebody used my program and put that picture there. If you want to do propaganda, if you want to commit nuisance, can you do it on your own and leave me alone? I am not in support of bringing anybody's picture on social media. Are you getting me? I am not in support of it. Whoever that have done that, what you did is a crime, and whatever Biafra Unite said against you will stand. Somebody who don't want to bring his identity, no matter how you want to say it, no matter how you want to talk about it, it's entirely your business. You may not like the fact that he don't want to show his face. It's entirely your business. But leave it the way he wants it to be. What do you want to gain from that? What do you want to gain from that? I have reached out to River Goddess. I asked her, please, are you the one that did this? She told me in confidence that she know nothing about it. Because somebody shared the picture to me this afternoon. Then when I look at that, because why Ishota is using that? Why Ishota is using that? And I'm coming to her own matter, because this is what she knows how to do best. Maybe she's the one that will put the picture, because she has been close to Biafra Unite. Maybe somehow somebody revealed the picture to her, because she said she's everywhere. She has access to everything. But using that just to blackmail other people. I want us to learn something. No matter your age here, please. I'm not your teacher though. I'm just trying to advise. I'm not mandating you to behave like me. You may have your differences with somebody. You may have different opinion. But can we learn how to apply limitation? Like, yes, we are not in good time. You don't like me, I don't like you. Or even maybe we don't hate each other, but we disagree on some certain things. Always know your boundary. Always know your limit. Biafra Unite don't want to show his identity. Leave it for him. No, you can condemn me to verbally. Say whatever you want, but applying action to reveal any picture. This is the same way they did to the guy called Success, because he have different opinion from what you have. You want to bring his picture out on social media. That's a very bad thing, very bad thing. I'm not. I hate it. I hate to see that kind of thing. So whoever may be responsible, whoever you are not doing yourself any good. And like I said, the only thing you need to do now, if you're the one, you have to try your best to retrieve your steps by looking for a way to ask for forgiveness to the appropriate channel. You know what I mean by that? This is applicable to any other person. Today, like Butozona, I know some of you are looking for his picture to dish it out because somehow it's wrong. It is wrong. Onye na-achọ adachi ofe. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu sị na aka nwatakịrị ịwụtara ewute aka nri ewere aka ikpe dochiti ya azụ. That you have different opinion from somebody is not a guarantee for you to go out begin to cuff the person's head. What's wrong with us? Somebody says it's not bad, please. It is bad, very bad. He want to form a government and all that. Leave it for him. He has not actually committed a crime. Did he sell anybody? He did not. Like I said, you have your differences. Okay, everybody must not like you. If you ask Biafra Unite now to mention 2 people that you don't want them to be on social media, believe you me, I am one of the people that he will tell you. Because I criticize a lot of things that he reading charter, his lies against US, that US is a commander of a Bible. This kind of thing is very bad. But don't go to the extent of revealing his picture. Okay? Everything have level. It has not gone into that. Okay? From a if you say that you said enough of these evil people destroying our liberation. If you okay, you now you may see it as destroying. See, USB government is the legitimate government. No 2 ways about it. That's what we are preaching here. We cannot condemning this at the same time practicing the other thing. Biafra Unite is getting it wrong. But do you know that picture that you reveal may end his life? So what will you gain from that? What will you gain? It will levels. If you want to do something, use that appropriate measure to challenge that thing. I just understand you condemn him verbally. You have the picture of good and fine. Wait until something that warrant that picture to come out. If he committed something that, oh my God, you are looking for him, there was no problem. But not now. That he wants, God is not working with the Putos. US will have their own army. An army is an army. They have their own army. You should pray that the army should be funded to start working properly. You must not work with the Putos. That's my own take. Very wrong. Very wrong. So I don't like that idea, and I'm here to condemn that. That's number 1.